haka jing persang ban wan ra ka jing sngo thu jing mut lambat ka jing adai ka bajan na padang ki bre ka Duna haka bor Ïohsngew lambat ki weipan Office Trikam ka Commissioner for Person with Disabilities haka arpo hunyo tarik nailor arhaja arpusan kala Pyndonkam da ka International Deaf Day Hasin Anthony's College halor kapang no human rights without sign language rights. Hakadik sngi lawan banyashim benta daw ba wailat miki shilla Myntri berikmi yakatanat kakot kakya kumukongsan haringkat kajia don lang kakong Bridget Warshong Deputy Commissioner jaga Person with Disabilities nalor kiwe pan. Hakadik sngi nakalyang katanat kala samru yaki kusnam shaki brio baduna haka bor Ïohsngew ki blawan shakmat haki jaya kai sports lem ki bapas haki kerdan puli baper. Haba ajing kran hakani ka jingalang uba wailat miki shila ula kran halor ka jing don jong ka abs kabalat tip kum ka Meghalaya sign bank ka banwan ra ka jing Ïohsngew thu jing mut hapadang ki Duna bor Ïohsngew bat ki patba bat kumta ula Kyntu ya baro bakin Pyndonkam yakani ka abs. Nalor kata ula angru baki dan bon ki scheme na ka banta ki bre ki badan jing Duna ki department hakaba ula Kyntu ya ki bor badai kmi bakin pen sapriang ya ki jing tep tang hasar Henry wat ki banta ki bakendong ru kumjo.
Just recently, as Ïarap announced that they have launched the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which will be a bridge to communicate with the person with disability. But I believe, no doubt we were discussing to have the interpreter. But if we just help them also, if we as the public, as the people of the state, if we are not ready to learn, it will be meaningless. So that's why I would like to request you today at this moment, we should not just standing here celebrating the International Deaf Day. We should show it in action. So first, I will request each and everyone here, please take out your mobile. Please take out your mobile. I will request each and everyone, and please download this Meghalaya Sign Bank app now. Please. Because I know maybe later on, we have many things to do, so we might forget. So I will request all of you who are having a mobile phone, a smartphone, which I am totally confident that each and every one of you have. Please open the Play Store and type Meghalaya Sign Bank app and please download it. And at the same time, not just download it. And I will request you, I know it's not possible to learn each and everything, but I will request at the end of this program, I will request the interpreter to please teach us also few sign language. So we will learn today few sign language. At least we will be able to greet our deaf people. But at the end of the program,
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam Duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.